So, Apple's September 9th event is quickly approaching, and the firm has prompted yet another wave of speculation with its event logo. Apple never directly spoils anything in these drawings, but history shows that they frequently include buried clues, and this year's design could point to two of the most significant enhancements predicted for the iPhone 17 Pro family: new color options and an advanced cooling system. Let's start with colors. According to Macworld's Felipe Esposito, the iPhone 17 Pro will be available in 5 color options: black, white, gray, dark blue, and a bright new orange. If you look closely at the event logo, you'll notice the same orange and dark blue colors front and center. Perhaps it's a coincidence, but Apple has a history of teasing product features in these invitations. If accurate, orange would easily be the dominating color this year, while dark blue lends a premium professional touch. Apple has introduced special finishes in the past, such as deep purple on the iPhone 14 Pro and titanium blue on the iPhone 15 Pro, but orange is one of the most daring moves we've seen from the company in quite some time. Now let's move on to the second possible indication, which is really important for power users. According to rumors, Apple is changing the interior design of the iPhone 17 lineup to improve heat dissipation. More precisely, the Pro versions are rumored to have a vapor chamber cooling mechanism, which is already used by Android flagships such as Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra. And if you look closely, the event logo's whirling, gradient-heavy design resembles a thermal heat map. Could that be Apple's subtle hint about the forthcoming cooling upgrade? It certainly feels like it. A vapor chamber is essentially a narrow, enclosed metal chamber with a little amount of liquid within. When the phone heats up while performing hard tasks such as gaming or video editing, the liquid evaporates and flows around the chamber, drawing heat away from crucial components, including the speculated A19 Pro CPU. When it cools, the vapor condenses back into liquid, and the process repeats. The end result is improved thermal efficiency, more sustained performance, and far less overheating. Something iPhone users have been demanding for years, especially since Apple is pushing console-level games on its Pro devices. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.